Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Wise debit cards overseas. So, as you can see, I am on the official website of the Wise. So, from here guys, as you can see, the Wise card works in much the same way as your bank issued debit card. So guys, while you are on overseas, you can spend and withdraw cash with your card just like you would in the UK. So guys, you can spend whatever is in your Wise balance. So all you need to do before you travel is simply top up your Wise account with money you expect to spend while you're away, and you can always add more using the Wise app and top up on the move. And guys, when you spend it, automatically it converts the currency from your balance into the local currency wherever you are. So guys, this means that you don't need to convert the currency before you travel. Unless you want to, the card will do it for you. That's why guys, Wise card is the best choice when you are traveling. And best of all, it does this at the mid-market exchange rate. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this is the security features that the Wise have. They have two-factor authentication, instant transaction, freeze or unfreeze your card instantly if lost or stolen, and 24/7 anti-fraud measure, and digital cards available for added security, and you don't need to carry cash, just make withdrawals when you need to. And also guys, you can use the Wise card in 150 plus countries worldwide. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!